Yeah. What'd you got there? Get your beans and macaroni? That's pretty cool, huh? Oh, yeah. Throw it down. Good girl. Good girl. Are you liberating the beans? Okay, that's good. You're alright. Okay. Moxie. Alright. Hey. Just play with them. Don't throw them down. Alright then. Here. No, they're over here now. They're over here now. Alright, is that enough? Are you pushing them away? Now what are you looking for? Your Play-Doh? You want your Play-Doh? Here. You can get it. You get it. Oh, you can throw that down too. Alright. Does that mean you're done? All done? All done. Say goodbye, Beans. Bye, Beans and macaroni. Bye, Play-Doh. Hey, say bye. Say bye, Moxie. Oh, you want to go play with that curtain, don't you? Alright. Okay. Bye-bye. Say bye now. See you later. I gotta clean some beans and rice and macaroni up.